Well, here I've made a number of modifications to my bridge, but as you can see, my truck makes it across. Might be interesting if I put exaggeration back on. Yeah, that's kind of pushing it to the limit. So, to be honest, I didn't quite follow my own advice about making if I take a look at the load test results, I didn't quite make the strength twice the force. You can see that in some cases it's just barely enough, especially on number 4 here. So that makes for an interesting bridge, very flexible, but it works. I have a green status symbol. And you'll notice that my cost now is just over $200,000. I even shocked myself that I could get it down that far. You'll also notice that I made everything hollow tubes, and it's all quenched and tempered steel, and that seems to work. Now if you had 2 trucks it wouldn't work, but 1 truck is fine. So you just need to put a really big sign up there, maximum load 1 truck, and then you should be fine. At this point, we do want to write down the final information from all of your modifications. Look at my iteration count. I'm now up to 101 iterations to make this thing work. I did a lot of testing. I also am down to 30 members. I had 35 before. And my cost is drastically reduced at $202,000. If you've made any kind of gains that are anywhere close to this, like even 250, 260, anywhere under 300, I would say you're doing pretty well. And you should be proud of the engineering work that you've done to make your bridge successful. And who knows, maybe there's an even better design than this. But I think I've got the minimum number of joints. I've got 1 joint underneath matching up the joint on top, except for the middle, where it comes to a point, which is why it's so scary, I think, because there's a lot of flexibility right there. And if I had done another joint underneath, maybe it would be a little more stable.